What's up, guys? It's me. So it's day 6 today, and we're gonna be doing some more dumb practice. So we have our exercises here, and let's begin. Change text on button click. Create a paragraph and a button. When a button is clicked, change the paragraph text. Okay, let's create a paragraph and a button. When a paragraph is clicked, change the text back on second click. Change the text back on Change the text back on second click. Okay, make sure I'm recording here. Okay. So um okay, I can't see if this is recording or not, but hopefully it is. Hopefully it is anyways. So get element by ID. So it wants me to say ID parag um hello and let per equal document get get element by ID like this. I haven't even opened the live server though. Okay, I have to say click me. And let's have a clicked equal to false. I'm gonna have the button and when we click this we're gonna change the text each time. We're gonna change the text. Something like this. Oh wait, I gotta there we go. Okay, maybe hello and goodbye. There we go. Change background color, modify styles with JavaScript. Add a button, we click the page. Uh, the page change the page background color. I'm still gonna have the button and just remove this. I'm just gonna so actually I'm gonna leave the button on here. I'm gonna say document button. Click. We're gonna go um document dot body dot style dot background color equal green. Cycle through multiple colors. Cycle through multiple colors. Okay, how do we cycle through? Well, I guess I could keep them in an array, but mm, red, green, blue, and now what? Let's say let index equal 0 if index equal 3, index equals 0, index plus plus. I'm gonna do index plus plus here, and then colors of index. Yeah, it works. Show hide an element. Practice class list or style display. Create a div and a button. When the button hides or shows the div. Okay, I'm gonna keep the button still. Hides or shows the div. Hello world. Something original. Um, Clicking hides or shows it. Go document dot query selector div button dot on button dot add event listener click let hide go false true. So if hide div dot style dot display go none else div dot style display equal block or flex or whatever it was. I'm gonna see if this is correct. Hide equal not hide. Yeah, okay. So it does work. Inputs and user interaction. Live character use input create text input how many characters the user has typed. Change text color when the limit is exceeded. Sheesh. Okay, so I think we just need we're gonna count the we're gonna count the the length of the value. Query selector. And input dot add event listener input. We're gonna have a div here. Actually, let's do an h1. Let h1 selector. Okay, and then oops, this is not like this. So now h1 dot text content equal input dot value dot length. Change text color when limit is exceeded. If input dot value dot length greater than 10, input dot style dot color equals red. There we go. Okay, simpler than I thought. Definitely simpler than I thought. Okay. Simple creating app. Read input values. Input field plus button. When click display. Hello name. Okay. So greet. We're gonna h1 here. Let's keep the input. Let's keep when click display. Okay. So we just need a button. We need a button that. So we're gonna get the button and then um and button click. So it's gonna be h1 dot text content equal hello input dot value yep. Without this it's gonna be empty. No David. Okay. Checkbox toggle and no checkbox. Add checkbox when a checkbox when checked show a message when unchecked hide it. HTML check box. Checkbox. Input style checkbox. Input type checkbox. Okay, so check if checkbox is checked. JavaScript. Check out checkbox. This is straight up the answer. And you might check on click checkbox not check or checkbox are checked. Okay, just checkbox are checked. Checkbox oops core document dot query selector input let h1 equal document dot query selector h1 and then checked. Really just this? No, we're gonna need an on click on oops add event also click if if checkbox dot checked equal true. h1 dot style dot display block, else h1 dot style dot display none. I don't have text. Hi. Hi there. Not there. Okay, what is if checkbox? Okay, let's like this. It's not checked. Okay, I think it works. I think it works. Okay, list to do is very simple. I clicked clear input after it. I clicked on a newly to list. So we need an input. I'm gonna have a button add, and we're gonna have a UL. Let's input equal document query selector input. Let's button equal document dot query selector button, and let ul equal document dot query selector ul, and now clicked add a newly button dot add event listener, click if input dot value dot length equal, if not input dot value return. Okay, so if we return, else we're gonna create, we're gonna say that li equal document the create element li dot text text content equals input dot value ul dot append child li, and input dot value equal this, I think. Okay, okay, I think this works. Okay, remove items. Guys, we're probably gonna go up until 9. Event listeners on dynamic elements. Each list item has a delete button. Clicking delete removes that item. Okay. I mean, we can just do this here. Like, let's del button equal document dot create element button. Oops. Button del button dot text content equal delete dot append child delete del button del button on add event listener click, and we're gonna say UL dot remove child LA like this, and this works. It does work. So state tracking, click counter state tracking button that increases a number every click, display the count on the page. Every click display the count on the page. Okay, so we're just gonna have an H1. We're gonna have a button which says +1. I'm gonna get rid of, I'm gonna say H1 let counter like this. Then H1 dot text content equal counter, then button dot add event listener click, and anonymous function. Then we're gonna say counter plus plus H1 dot text content equal counter. There we go. Okay, guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe so you can follow along the journey. Make sure that you also follow me. Make sure that you follow me down below. All my links will be down in the description. And yeah, see you tomorrow.